Welcome to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make some awesome split pea soup. We have the ham to use up, or the ham bone mostly to use up. So I'm going to show you how to make a split pea soup. So let's get started. So I'm going to take our split peas, and we need probably about 3/4 of this bag, which is this we're going to dump some chickpeas. Pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash them, and then we're going to soak them for about an hour, and then we'll continue with our lovely soup. Okay. Yeah, it's roughly about 3/4 of a bag of the split peas now. Give it a wash. Okay. Yeah, just wait until the water becomes less cloudy a couple times, and then we're going to fill it one more time. And if you do have, I would recommend if you do have more time. I'm kind of rushing it, so we're only gonna like soak them for, like a good hour, and then we'll get started with our split pea soup. And we're gonna do our split pea soup. We have the ham bone from Easter. Smells beautiful. So we're gonna take our little ham bone, toss them into, and we're gonna make our soup with the Ninja Foodi. Okay, so we're gonna put our ham bone into the pot. Oh yeah, let's dump all that stuff in there. Okay. Yeah, so our split peas have been soaking for a bit, so we're just gonna toss them all in there. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a good amount. Maybe a little heavy on the split peas, but you know what? It's all right. It's supposed to split pea soup. Okay. All right, so I don't have chicken stock, but I have cubes, so we're gonna use cubes. Yeah, I definitely have to make some chicken stock. Been a little busy filming and other things, that's my excuse, but we are going to use some cubes, which is totally fine. It kind of works. Okay, so we're going to, it definitely works. Okay, chicken. Okay, and we got a beef cube. And I don't have a lot of veggies. Normally I would it's better to put like onion, carrots, and celery. I only have onion. Yeah, so it would be an onion type of soup, no problem. Beef, stuffy. Okay, we have a little bit of garlic. Not a lot, but just a little bit. We have some garlic and thyme. There's a little bit of chopped garlic and thyme. Do the same thing. Bay leaves adds a nice flavor. Okay. Chop some thyme and a little bit of garlic there. Thyme. Yeah, there's always ways to make soup with a few things you have. It's totally fine to do that. But as I said, it's definitely good to add celery and onions and carrots. Adds more flavor, but we can work with what we have. Chopped garlic, like onion. Onion into the pot. Toss in the lemon. Oh yeah, soup and lemon? Goes well. Alright. Lemon juice. We're after the juice. It's fine. Okay. Keeps the hands clean too. Good amount of thyme in there. I guess you know Beaumont's Kitchen always has thyme. Oh yeah. Essential. I don't know, thyme goes good with so many things, so I always have a lot of it. Fresh thyme. Fresh thyme in there. Water. I always like to add cold water in stocks and soups. That's just my thing. Not really necessary for this soup, but it's always a good rule. I just want to cover that ham bone. An inch above the max is good. We're going to pressure cook this for 40 minutes. Have a look and see what the consistency is like, and if I like it, that's good. But yeah, I'm thinking 45 minutes, maybe. Alright, come back in 45 minutes, and we'll have some beautiful split pea soup. See you back in a flash. Our split pea soup is complete, so we're going to take this off, see how he turned out. It's looking good. Oh yeah. I guess we should give them a taste, right? Good flavor there. Salt. Okay. Bit of pepper. Mix her up. Yeah, I could have probably added the whole bag of split peas. I didn't, but it looks like I could have. Or I could have added just a bit less water, but it is, you know, fairly thick. So. Oh, yeah, it's all there. I am going to just add a little bit of richness, which is just a bit of cream. Cream goes a long way in stew. So, cream. Okay. There was a little bit of heavy cream. It wasn't much. It was only like a teaspoon or so left, so it wasn't a lot. So, split ham and split pea soup. Super simple to do. As I said, if you have carrots and celery, kicks it up a notch. But you can just use what you have, and that's totally fine, and it totally worked fine. And if you don't have chicken stock, you can use those cubes that I used, and you will have a beautiful, wonderful split pea soup. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, share. Love ya. See you next time.